off, I'm a rocky with Cardi, 151 out my body, about that green like the side. My Ferrari, we bossy about the football. Getting money, my habit, not getting money. It's not. It's what rappers I listen to, is E40 and Pac. Come handle my record, new play I have, but it's good, it's hard. And I stay lazy, grew myself a sucker, rebel. Not for $10, then you got it, still on a hustle. There you go, man. Got gas, silver, White House, black top, brown candy, SLANG. If I take $1 billion,
try this, guaranteed turn square to a 5 here. You ain't down with a lot. I ain't got time for playing, I'm just saying, but we out here trying to function. 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 I ain't got time for playing, I'm just saying, but we out here trying to function. 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 I ain't got time for playing, I'm just saying, but we out here trying to function.
KB, no KB. It's Uncle Errol in the HBKB. Mission the gang, they already know that we ballin'. I'm coming straight out the rich, I got family down in New Orleans. Where you from? You say you lying out here. We say that you charging. You probably thought this never would happen. Been caught an alcoholic, been sipping that liquor. On drummer's tail, with a little beat over in Vallejo. Got a whole pack of pre-roll, young L. And I'm never down to Uno. Pockets on slim on, hey, disrespect the pedigree. Ballin' heavily, my phony homie, I know you fuck with the family. This is crap, I'm killing shit out of it. I see how shit feeling tonight.
You got double dank. You got double dank over there. Right there. Right there. Never mind. Boy ain't gonna get into it. He's from Boston. Doesn't matter. Hey, here he is. Double dank. Double dank. Double dank. Double dank. I don't want to do. I don't want the first do.
Which guy? The guy?
Armando.
I'm gonna get a probably better angle.
Shawty don't even know she can get in it by the law. Told me she not a pro, it's okay, it's under control. Show me some brand new, cause girl you can handle. Baby with stars, so then you come up with pop clothes. Girl I'm losing my heart, you got it the same nose. Show me your perfect bitch, you got it my banjo. Talented with your lips like you do on the candle. So I'm using, and then you can make it whistle with the music. Girl you ain't got no issue, you can do it. Even if it's no bitch, you never lose it. Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Here we go. Let me see you whistle while you work it. I'ma lay back, don't stop it. Cause I love it how you drop it on me. Now, try to let that whistle go. Yeah, baby, let that whistle go. Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Start real slow. You just put your lips together.
Alright, you guys, let's make some noise for our Ron Drew tonight, Wine Christina. Congratulations, you guys. Alright, this is our last song of the night, picked by one and only DJ, BJ. So this is for you, my friends, and here you go.
Knock down, girl,
watch it on the way home. It's a funny video.